Hello everyone, my name is Sudhanshu. Currently I am studying in LJ Institution of Engineering and Technology. I am in third semester of Mechanical Engineering. I made my project with the principle of kinematic of mechanism. My project title is a nail fixing mechanism using a cam and follower mechanism. So first of all, we will discuss a few things about our subjects. Kinematics of machines. Basically, kinematic is the branch of mechanics that tells us about the motion without considering the cause of the motion. These course explain the typical features of machines such as how they work, how they accelerate and so on. Now I would like to explain my project, which is a nail fixing mechanism using a cam and follower. The machine is powered by a motor which drives the camshaft. The camshaft rotates, causing the cam to also rotate. The cam is a specially shaped component that converts rotatory motion into linear motion. Attached to the cam is a follower. As the cam rotates, the follower moves up and down. Once the nails are in a position, the followers or a hammer mechanism is activated to drive the nail into the desired surface. The process repeats continuously as long as the machine is powered, allowing for efficient and precise efficiency. Now I am showing how my project is work. Showcase various applications when cam-based nail fixing mechanisms are used in working, woodworking, construction, and automatic manufacturing lines. So this is my project. Thank you.